Welcome to Car Wow, your ultimate destination for the world's most powerful and luxurious cars. If you love speed, design, and innovation, make sure to subscribe because today we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon. The Bugatti Tourbillon isn't just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering and art. Replacing the legendary Chiron, this hypercar introduces an all-new naturally aspirated V16 engine paired with a triple electric motor hybrid system, producing an insane 1,800 horsepower. That's not just power, that's pure madness on wheels. Its design is breathtaking, blending Bugatti's signature elegance with futuristic aerodynamics. The interior feels like a luxury timepiece, every switch, dial, and stitch crafted to perfection. And performance. The Tourbillon rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 2 seconds, with a top speed expected to exceed 400 km per hour. It's more than speed, it's innovation redefined. The 2026 Bugatti Tourbillon marks a new era of hybrid hypercars, powerful, artistic, and incredibly rare. Only the elite few will own it, but we can all admire the beauty of perfection. Stay tuned to Car Wow, where automotive dreams come alive.